Okay, let us now start. Good morning once again, Rizal. So, before I ask you to master the skill in performing synthetic division in polynomials, okay? Because, tulad ng sinabi ko before, na we will be using it in another 2 more lessons. So, this is one of the 2 that I'm talking about. So, our lesson for today is finding the roots of a polynomial equation. Okay? So, let us recall a few lesson when you were in your grade 9. Sana nakalkal pa sa ating memorya. Ano ang tawag dyan? Okay? What do we call this? This is called a... Kalimutan na? Ano yung dating polynomial equation, trinomial, o more specific? Tama kayo parehas.
Quadratic equation, sir.
Yon, this is called the quadratic equation. So this is called the quadratic equation. So before, meron kayong lessons na tinatawag nating factoring. Tama? Factoring ang ginagawa natin dati, no? Naglalagay kayo ng ganyan. Yan, tapos merong x dito. Tapos titignan yung constant, titignan yung gitna. Diba? So ito yung ginagawa nyo dating factoring. Tama? And then, kinukuha nyo yung roots. Tama? So, ito yung lesson nyo before. So, madali lang siya kasi quadratic polynomial, quadratic equation lang yan. Kinukuha nyo yung roots ng quadratic equation. Tignan nyo lang yung constant, titignan nyo lang yung gitna, and makakaisip na agad kayo ng roots nila or ng factors nila. So, this time, so, yung kanina pinakita ko, yung quadratic equation, in-express natin sa factored form, kinuha yung roots. Okay? So, our goal for today is finding the roots of polynomial equation. At the same time, we will express or we will find the factored form of a polynomial equation. So, let's have an example first. X cubed plus 2x squared minus 16x minus 32. Okay? Malinaw naman ba? Nakikita? Sabihin nyo kung hindi, para medyo lakihan natin. Okay? This is anong tawag dyan? That is only a polynomial expression. This is only a polynomial expression. Katulad ng ginagawa natin before na nagdi-divide tayo, ito lang yung pinagagamitan natin. But, if I put here equals 0, therefore, that is already a polynomial equation. Why? Because dahil nag-equate na tayo sa 0, meaning there will be a value for x this time. So kanina, nung walang equals to 0, wala, polynomial lang siya. Meron tayong tinatawag na leading term. Sa leading term, matatagpuan yung leading coefficient na invisible 1 dito. And we have our degree, which is 3. And degree is the highest power of the variable. So make sure na ang ating polynomial again is complete. And also, ang isang polynomial equation or any polynomial must have a proper power. Hindi pwede yung may negative, hindi pwede yung merong square root, or yung fraction yung kanyang power or exponent. Dapat positive real number siya. Okay? So this time, we are looking for the roots of this x cubed plus 2x squared plus minus 16x minus 32. So, kanina, nag-factoring lang tayo. Dahil nakita lang natin yung constant, tignan natin yung gitna. This time, kaya natin i-factoring. So, medyo mahirap, no? Kaya nga, merong paraan na tinatawag natin continuous division. Continuous synthetic division. So, using continuous synthetic division, we can extract or we can get the roots of this polynomial equation. At the same time, we can transform it into its factored form. Okay, so how will we do that? Okay, again, first, make sure that this is in the proper order. And then, let us write our numerical coefficient until the constant. Make sure na kompleto pa rin lahat. Lagyan ng 0 kung may missing. After that, we will start our continuous synthetic division. Sir, paano yan, sir? Magsusynthetic division tayo, wala namang divisor. Okay? So, this is where your part comes in. You need to give us a divisor. Saan tayo hahanap? So, look at the constant. The constant here is negative 32. Okay? Negative 32. So, hahanap tayo ng mga factors ng 32 na pwedeng i-divide sa kanya. Ilang hahanapin natin? Since our degree is 3, therefore, we need to at least, at most, find 3 real roots. Ibig sabihin, 3 yung roots na pwede nating makuha dito dahil ang degree niya ay 3. So, kailangan mahanap natin yung roots at para masabing roots, kailangan siya ay factor. Okay? Again, para makuha natin yung roots, kailangan malaman natin na siya ay factor. At paano ba natin malalaman na siya ay factor? Kasas. Kasas.
Pa.
Paano natin masabi na factor yon?
Pag 0 na po, sir.
Yung
Sagot po, sir.
0 yung alin, nak? Tama yung sinabi mo, 0 yung ano dapat mag-0? Sige, ginagawa natin before. Sige, Jermaine. Ano dapat yung mag-0?
Yung remainder po.
Okay, yung remainder or dapat walang remainder. So, malalaman natin na it is a factor if there is no remainder or nag-0 yung remainder. So, ngayon, since this is 32, there are many possible factors na pwede natin pagpilian. Nandyan ang 32. Siyempre, kung may positive 32, may negative 32 din. May 16, positive negative 16 din. May 8, positive negative 8 din. May 4, positive negative 4. 2, positive negative 2. At syempre 1, positive negative 1. So, ang dami natin pagpipilian. Meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2, 12 options na pwedeng subukan. So, pagalingan na lang ng instinct, pagalingan ng tsamba kung anong una nating pwedeng itama. So, any suggestions? Anong una nating gustong subukan? Yes, Aliana? Positive or negative? Positive. O sige, since nag-suggest kang positive 4, perform synthetic division, anak. Go.
Bring down 1 po. 1 times 4, 4. 2 plus positive 4, 6 po. 6 times 4 is equal to positive 24. Negative 16 plus positive 24, 8 po. Positive 8. 8 times 4 po, 32, positive. 32 plus positive 32, 0 po.
Okay, very good. Nakaisa na tayo. Ang galing na Aliana manghula. So we have x equals 4. Isang root na agad. Now, this time, magpo-focus na tayo dun sa pinakahuling constant, which is 8. Di ba dahil synthetic tayo, if this is x cubed, we are now at x squared. So, x squared, x constant. So, therefore, this is already the constant. Nagbawas na tayo ng isang degree, ay ng isang layer na exponent ng power, nabawasan na, naging x squared na lang to, x, and then the constant. So, meaning, hindi pa tayo tapos. Tutuloy natin ang synthetic division, but since 8 is our constant, doon tayo magfo-focus. Saan natin pwedeng i-divide or what are the factors of 8? Any suggestions? Mga anak? Where can we divide? What number can we divide 8? Or what are the factors of 8? So siguro tapos na tayo hanggang dito, no? Hindi na natin pipiliin yung 16 na 32. Sige, Althea.
-2, sir.
-2. Let us try -2. Go.
Bring down 1 po. Tas 1 times -2 is equal to -2. 6 plus -2 is +4. 4 times -2 is -8. 8 plus -8 is equal to 0.
Yon, very good. Pasok na agad. So we have our second root. So this time, as you can see, this is already a 2-digit magkatabing binomial na siya. Why? Because this is x cubed, naging x squared, at dito ay x raised to 1 na lang. So if we can express it, this will become x plus 4. Okay? X plus 4 na siya. So dyan pa lang, easily na tayo makakuha ng root. Diba? We will just equate it to 0, perform the zero product rule, and then sa madaling sabi, yung katulad na lagi nyo nakasanayan, ililipat yung 4. Pero ang nangyayari dun ay adding the additive inverse. Kaya na ililipat, ha? Hindi yun basta transpose. That is adding the additive inverse. Naging shortcut na lang all throughout the years. So therefore, we can say that this is x is equal to -4. So ang pinaka-shortcut lang niyan, you divide the second digit to the first digit, and then you change the sign. Again, you divide the second digit to the first digit, and then you change the sign. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Change the sign, -4. And there we have our 3 roots. Now we will list it in proper ascending order. We will list down the least value unto the highest value para maayos yung ating order. So, what number should I start? So, listen natin dito. Roots. X is equal to, what are the values of x? Saan tayo magsisimula? Ang pinakauna, pinakamababang value.
-4.
Okay, -4. Nauna yon, -4. Ano pa?
-2.
-2, yung susunod. And then the last one, of course, is +4. Now, the factored form. The factored form, lagyan natin parenthesis. So, dahil yan ay x equals to -4, lilipat, parang yon, magiging x plus 4 na siya. And then, x equals to -2, x plus 2. And then, x equals 4, x minus 4. And do not forget your equals 0. And that is our factored form. And there you have our 2 answers, the roots and the factored form. Ganun lamang siya kadali. Okay? Now, the roots are also called the zeros of the function. Bakit tinawag na zeros of the function? Kasi kapag sinubstitute mo ang roots sa ating x value, therefore, it will result into 0. Katulad nung ginawa natin sa remainder theorem. Okay? So, these are also called the zeros of the function. Now, sir, nagtry ako, inuna ko yung -2. Tama naman. Mali po ba ako? No. There is no proper order of which number should come up first. It's up to you. Kung ang natsambahan mo ng una ay -4, tama ka pa din as long as nandito ka mag-e-ending. Kung ang una mong natsambahan na tama is -2, you are still correct. You will still arrive at the same answer kasi aayusin mo pa din. Okay? So huwag kayong mag-away, magsuntukan kung sino ang naunang tama. Okay? So now, let us erase this and have another example. Okay, naka-center pa ba sa ating mga naka-cellphone? Baka nagalaw-galaw ko na siya. X to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 56x minus 228x. Ayan, nilalakihan ko na yung numbers para masaya. Equals 0. Ayan na. So we have here x to the fourth minus plus 3x cubed plus ano to? Minus 56x minus 228x minus 224. Okay? Hindi na siya naka-center. Yan. Okay. Now, saan pwedeng i-divide ang 224? Idea? Hello? Saan tayo pwedeng mag-start? Sige, magtatawag ako. Tawagin natin si Earl. Prince Earl. Oh, hello anak. Give ka nga ng pwede nating tsambahan.
Kung pinakamababang number, sir, pwede pong 2.
Pwedeng 2. Okay, let us try. So, ilista natin. 1, 3, negative 56, negative 228, and negative 224. Okay. Sige, go. 2.
Ako pa rin, sir.
Oh, ikaw, nag-suggest eh.
Bring down po yung 1, sir. Tapos, 2 times 1, 2. 3 plus 2, 6.
Ha?
Ay, 5 pala, sir. 5 times 2, 10. Negative 56 plus 10, negative 46. Tapos, negative 46 times 2, negative 92. Tapos, negative 228 plus negative 92, negative 320. Tapos, negative 320 times 2, negative 640. Tapos, negative 224 plus negative 640, negative 864.
Okay. So, kung mapapansin natin, medyo malaki. So, it means that positive 2 is not one of the roots. Okay, thank you, Earl. Any other suggestions na pwede nating subukan? Guys, huwag mahiya. It's okay na malaman natin na hindi yun factor. Okay?
8, sir.
8?
Opo.
Sige, let us try. Positive 8. Go, Jermaine.
Bring down 1, sir. 1 times 8, 8. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 times 8, 88. Negative 56 plus 88. 32. 32 times 8. 256.
256.
Again?
256, sir.
Ayun. Anong 256?
Si James, sir. Negative 228.
Ano?
56. Negative 228 plus
Okay.
256. 8. Ay, 28.
8.
28 times 8. 1, 6. 224. Negative 224 plus 224 is 0.
Okay, very good. Nakaisa na tayo. That is positive 8. X equals positive 8. Okay? Next, focus na tayo ngayon sa 28. Medyo mababa na. Ang laki agad ng natsambahan nating number, kaya bumaba na agad. So, since this is x to the fourth, we are looking at four roots. Okay? So, ito yung x to the fourth, x cube na lang tayo dito. Nasa x cube na tayo. Baka gustong mag-try ni Jenny Rose. Ikaw naman, Jenny Rose. Anak, are you there? Wala si Jenny Rose? Hello? Wala? Hello? Okay. Tawagin natin si Zapatero. Zapatero, are you there? Stephanie? Hello, Iha?
Dinig na po.
Okay, rinig ka na. What would you like to try? What is a factor of 28? Saan siya pwede divide?
Sa ano po siguro, sir?
Sa ano, anak?
4 po o negative 4?
Mag-decide ka, isa-isa lang. Yan ang hirap lagi eh. Pag nag-isa lang.
Negative 4 po.
Okay, negative 4. Go, Iha. Proceed.
Bring down 1, then 1 times negative 4 equals negative 4. 11 plus negative 4. Ilan, sir? Ano yun? 7 po, positive 7. 7 times negative 4. Negative 28 po. Tapos, four po. 4 times negative 4, negative 16. Positive 12.
No. So, okay. So, medyo mahina tumamba si Stephanie. Hindi pasok ang negative 4. Any other? Sige, si Jenny Rose. Ayan na, nagtaas na ng kamay. Sige, go anak.
Negative 2 po, sir.
Negative 2. Okay, dali lang. Purahin lang natin to. So, negative 2. Proceed, anak.
Bring down 1 po, sir. 1 times negative 2, negative 2. 11 minus 2 equals 9. 9 times negative 2, negative 18. 32 minus negative 18, positive 19.
Again, anak.
32 minus 18,
32 minus 18
32 minus negative 18
minus 18.
ay minus 18 equals 19.
19 na.
14.
14. Very good. Go, proceed.
14 times negative 2 equals negative 28. And equals to 0. 28 minus 28 equals 0.
Very good. So we are already in our x raised to 2. Pasok na yung isa. X equals negative 2. Okay, another one. Isa pa. Sige, Jewel.
Negative 7 po.
Negative 7, sabi ni Jewel. Proceed, anak.
Bring down 1.
Ng 1.
1 times negative 7 equals negative 7.
Negative 7.
Plus positive 2. Positive 2 po.
2.
2 times positive 2 times positive negative 7 equals negative 14. 0 na.
Okay, 0 na. Therefore, we already have our third root. Very good ka dyan, anak. James, ano yung last root natin, James?
Negative 2, sir.
Why?
X plus 2 equals to 0. Tapos, transpose.
Okay.
Additive inverse, negative 2.
Okay, very good. So, we have now our 4 roots. As you can see, we have your 8, negative 2, negative 7, negative 2. This is a helpful suggestion. Kanina nag-try tayo ng positive 2, tama? So, we already tried positive 2 at the very first part of our synthetic division. Hindi siya naging factor. Tapos nakita nyo dito yung 28 at 14. Pwede pa divide sa 2, di ba? Tama, sa positive 2. Okay, once na nasubukan natin ng isang digit at hindi siya nag-0 or hindi siya naging root, therefore, throughout our continuous synthetic division, it will not be correct. Hindi na siya magiging root. So kapag sinubukan natin at hindi talaga umubra, wag na nating ipilit. Okay? Ganun lang po klase ng buhay. Minsan may mga bagay na hindi kailangang ipilit. Okay, now let us list down our answer, our roots. Okay? Tawagin natin si Genki. Lista natin ang roots. Machubar, are you there?
Ano po? X plus 2.
Roots muna. Roots.
X is equals to positive 2.
Ano mauna? List down natin lang yung roots. Lowest to the highest. Ano yung pinakauna?
Negative 2.
Lowest, anak.
Ay, negative 7.
Yon, very good. Negative 7.
Tapos negative 2.
Negative 2.
Tapos isa pa pong negative 2.
Isa pa pong negative 2.
Tapos 8 po.
Okay, 8. Very good. And then, Joshua, factored form.
X plus 7
X plus 7 times
X plus 2.
X plus 2.
Tapos isa pa po.
Ano?
X plus
Times.
2.
Sabi mo, times.
Times X plus 2, sir.
Okay.
Tapos X minus 8 times X minus 8.
No, binitin mo kami.
Equals 0, sir.
Yun, importante yun. Kasi hindi siya magiging equation. Equals 0. Okay? So as you can see, this is our roots. Nakikita pa ba ng mga naka-cellphone?
Opo.
Nakikita pa. Okay, good. So, x plus 2 and x plus 2, dalawa, di ba? Ang tawag dyan ay, baka mabulol ako, that is called the multiplicity of factors or multiplicity of roots. Ibig sabihin, may isang klase ng root na naulit, and that is called multiplicity. So, katulad niyan, dalawa yung negative 2 dun sa ating factored form, dalawa yung x plus 2. So, pwede nyo ito express ng x plus 2 quantity squared. So, x plus 7, and then x plus 2 squared, and then x minus 8. So, okay lang yon. So, but this time, ilagay na natin ng ganyan para makita nyo yung multiplicity. So, sulat natin yung isang klase ng paraan ng pagsulat. X plus 7 times x plus 2, quantity squared, and then times x plus 8 equals 0. So, that is another way in writing our factored form when we have multiplicity of roots. Okay? Nakuha na? Okay, let's try another one. Burahin ko na ulit. Let us have 2x cubed minus 11x squared minus 78x minus 135 equals 0. Okay, lista natin. 2, negative 11, negative 78, negative 135. Okay? Oh, anyone? Anyone? Oh, wala lahat ng tao. O sige, tawag tayo. Christian Joseph. Reyes.
Opo, sir.
Dalawa na.
Siguro
Sige.
po, sir, ano po, positive 5 po. Saan
Okay.
po, sa
Subukan natin ang positive 5. Proceed, anak.
bring down 2 po. Then, 2 times 5 is equivalent to 10, positive 10 po. Then, negative 11 po. Ay, negative 1 po. Then, times 5, negative 5 po. Then, negative 78 minus 5, negative 83 po. Times negative 83 times 5 is equal to negative 415 po.
Laki na, anak.
Thank you po.
Laki na. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pasok ang positive 5. Thank you. Thank you very much, anak. Medyo mahina ang luck mo ngayon. Any suggestions? Oh. Oh, sige, Althea. Taas ka ng kamay eh. Go.
Ano sir? Negative 5.
Negative 5. Okay, proceed.
Bring down 2. 2 times negative 5 is equal to negative 10. Then negative 11 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 21. Negative 21 times negative 5 is equal to 105. 105 minus 78 is equal to 27. 27 times negative 5 is equal to 135. 135.
Negative.
Ay, pass. Ay. Ano mali? Wait lang, sir.
Oh, check natin saan tayo nagkamali.
Ay, mali nga. Negative 135 nga, sir. Mali pa rin.
Mali pa rin. Bakit kaya? Oh. Maybe, ako ang nagkamali. Check natin. Oh, okay. So that is 100 plus 135. I'm very sorry. So, but still, tama yung kanina. So this is negative 21, 27, and 0. So that is positive 135. I'm sorry. Okay, proceed. Next, we have 27. Joey, nagtataas ka ng kamay kanina. Let us try, Joey. Joey? Joey? 27 tayo na. Doon na tayo magfo-focus. Saan siya pwedeng divide?
Negative 3.
Okay, let us try negative 3.
Bring down 2.
Bring down
2
2.
times 2 times negative 3 is negative 6.
Negative 6.
Negative 27.
Negative 27. Malaki na, no? Medyo malaki na na. Okay, very good. Thank you pa rin. So, let us try another one. Okay. Let us try another one. O, sige, Prince. Prince.
Positive 9, sir.
Positive 9, sabi ni Prince. Proceed, anak.
Bababa po yung 2.
Ay,
2,
sorry.
2 times 9, 18. Negative 21 plus 18, negative 3. Negative 3 times 9, negative 27. 27 minus 27, 0.
Okay, thank you very much. So, that is 9. So, dalawa na. How about the last degree? Ay, the last degree, the last root. What will be the last root? O, sige. James.
3 halves po.
Ano?
3 halves. Positive 3 halves.
X is equal to positive 3 over 2 or 3 halves. Why, James? Paliwanag.
Transpose, 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Transpose 2x is equals to 3. Divide both sides by 2.
Okay, so dahil ito yung magiging itsura niya, thank you very much. Dahil yan yung magiging itsura niya, so ililipat natin yung 3 tulad ng madaling sabi, magiging positive 3 and then dahil may coefficient dito, divide natin sa 2. And that is x is equal to 3 over 2 or 3 halves. Now, how about listing down the roots? Ano ililista natin? Tawagin natin si Hinal. Hinal, are you there? Anak.
Sir,
Okay, naklista natin yung roots.
negative 5 muna.
Okay, negative 5 muna. Very good. Susundan na
3 halves.
3 halves. Very good. Because this
Nine.
is 1.5 kung magiging decimal. And then the last one is
9.
9. How about our factored form? Thank you, anak. Factored form, tawagan natin si Jeff Riley.
Sir,
Go, anak.
negative 5 times, x is equals to positive 5.
X plus 5.
X plus 5 times x
Nandiyan lang sa board. Tignan mo, ano yung magiging itsura niya?
negative 3 over 2.
Ito to na. Ito to. Yan.
Ayun.
Oo. Sige, go.
2x, 2
2x
minus 3 multiply by x minus 9 is equals to 0.
Okay, thank you very much. So dito, kung mapapansin nyo, binalik ko siya dun sa kanyang original form. Okay lang naman ilagay nyo yung x minus 3 halves. Pero syempre, dahil makati sa mata nyo yung mga fraction, binalik na lang natin sa dati. So, pwede pa rin yung x minus 3 halves. So, binalik ko lang yung 2x minus 3. Okay, and that is how you get the roots and the factored form. Okay, let us erase this and it's your turn to shine. Please prepare a pen and a paper because you are going to answer this next polynomial equation. Find the roots and the factored form of x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 22x squared minus 16x minus 96 equals 0. Find the roots of this polynomial expression. Medyo pababa ang aking sulat. I will give you 3 minutes. Go.
Stop recording na ako mga anak. Tapos naman na ang ating lesson. Pero dire-diretso tayo.